Doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows up.
Okay, so the paper I will be covering is GCSE 9 to 5 Mathematics. This paper was published on the 6th of November 2018 on Tuesday morning. So for this paper you can use your calculator, a geometrical instruments and a tracing paper. So the question I will be answering for you guys is question 16, and the question is, the perimeter of the pentagon is equal to the perimeter of the square. Find an expression for the length of one side of the square. Give your answer in terms of x in its simplest form. This question is a format question, so I will be showing you how to answer this. Before answering the question, it's always important to pick out the keywords or any important information that they've given you in the exam paper. The first keyword I can see is perimeter. So what is a perimeter? So the perimeter is the distance all the way around the outside of a 2D shape, space, or area. Okay, so we're going to answer the question now. So we know that the perimeter is the distance all the way outside a 2D shape. So we need to use information that is given us on the question. So we know that the total perimeter of the pentagon is equal to the total perimeter of the square. That's the information they have provided us on the exam paper. So what we can calculate with the information that's provided is the total perimeter of the pentagon. So I'm going to work that out. So I'm just doing like a mini pentagon here. And I'm going to add all of the expressions around the outside of the pentagon together. So I'm going to add 5x plus 3 brackets plus 7x plus 4 brackets plus 2x plus 3 brackets plus 9x minus 10 brackets plus 5x plus 8 brackets. So use this as known as algebraic expression, or adding algebraic terms. So when you're adding algebraic terms, you need to add all of the similar terms together. So all of the terms of x you add together, and all of the terms with just a single number you add together as well. So we will add 5x plus 7x, 7x plus 2x plus 9x plus 5x. So it's 5x plus 7x plus 2x plus 9x plus 5x. So you add that together, add the numbers, 3 plus 4 plus 3 minus 10 plus 8. So I'm going to simplify this algebraic addition expressions together. So it says you can use your calculator, to work out if you need to. So I'm going to add these terms together. So I'm going to add the coefficient. So 5 plus 7 plus 2 plus 9 plus 5. So that would give me 28x when I simplify this, all of the terms with an x together. And now I'm going to add the numbers together. So 3 plus 4 plus 3
minus 10 plus 8. And that would give you 8. So 28x plus 8 is the total perimeter for the pentagon. So we know that. So going back to the question, they want us to find out the length of one side of a square. So we know that a square, there's 4 sides in a square. So put down here, a square has 4 sides and they're equal sides as well, which are equal lengths. So because we know the total perimeter of the pentagon is the same as the total perimeter of the square, we can use this expression, which we've got here, and divide it by 4 to find one length. So we put here the square total perimeter equals 28x plus 8. So we want to divide that by 4 to get one length. As you know, there's 4 sides in a square. So I'm going to do here 28x plus 8 divided by 4. All right. So what I would do is, to simplify it, I would factorize this first. So we need to find a common term, a common number that divides both 28 and 8. So a common term I know, or a common factor, is 4. So we can factorize this as 4 brackets 7x plus 2 divided by 4. So now with this being factorized, we can simplify it further. So another way you can write this is the same as writing it like this. 4 7x plus 2 divided by 4. Yeah. So that's another way you can write it. So you can write it with the actual symbol as well, which is this. Yeah, so that's another way you can write it. It's the same thing. So now I've factorized the top. I can now cancel out or divide. So this is the same as 4 times this expression. So that means we can cancel this out. So we cancel that out. And that would give us 7x plus 2. So one length would equal 7x plus 2. So one length of a square equals that length. And that's your answer. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you everyone for watching the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content, please subscribe. Have any questions or inquiries, please comment down below. Have a great day and good luck for anyone or any students around the world who is preparing for their exams.